OMG, look at me. I gotta do something about this here. Alright, as you guys might be able to tell, yes, today is a wash day and I'm wasting no time. I'm washing, detangling, and I'm getting myself together. Alright, Christmas is like in a couple of days and I can't make Christmas come and catch me looking like this, you know. So your girl gotta put her back into it and get this hair looking right. Today might be a busy day. Right now I'm literally thinking about all the things that I need to get done, and this here is exhausting, but gotta keep going. So guys, this legit turned into a vlog. You saw me, I woke up this morning and we were getting my hair groomed. You know, it's almost Christmas. Today is the 22nd of December and Christmas I come. I've been walking around this place looking really bummed, to be honest, because school have me away. When school I keep, this girl cannot create no content. I just have to zone in on what it is that I need to do to be successful at my job. So from you see a new release coming out, you know that I am possibly not at school. Alright, so my daughter has been throwing a tantrum since yesterday because apparently she wants to do a little last minute Christmas shopping. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing right now. We're going on the road and it's all her. She's gonna be getting what she needs and I'm just the chaperone. So come along with us. The Marian Bright new, yeah, cranberry. Cranberry. What's that? Medium. Yes, please. Anything else? No. Alright, 11 minutes. Yours tastes better. Crazy, because I think yours tastes better. Okay. We made it to our first stop, which was the Dollar Tree. We got some gift bags, wrapping paper, and some household stuff that I totally did not remember to record because I suck at vlogging. But come along guys, we're gonna make a quick trip to the supermarket next. Alright, so we're at the supermarket and I'm just getting 3 things. I promise, only 3 things. What was it that I needed? Yes, salt fish and onions and bell peppers, and that's it guys, legit, that's it. Tell me, does anybody else go into the supermarket and take up more than what they were supposed to get? Like, I am having to overcome this because I'm a girl and I'll go in there and I'll start taking up things, and I didn't go for that. So I legit didn't even walk with a trolley, because if you walk with a trolley you're gonna feel it. So yeah, right out of the store we're going. Where are we going next? Oh, this little girl said she want Wendy's, so we're gonna do a quick trip to Wendy's and then we're gonna be back home. I'm gonna finish doing my hair.
Mommy, you forgot to ask him to get sweet and sour sauce.
Darn, I'm sorry. I didn't remember. Hush, baby. Finally, I'm back home and I'm completing this wig install in 1, 2, 3. So now that my hair is done, time to hit the road. Drive through, light display, fantasy lights, something, something. See me here afterwards, look good. See one more the picture of the light, them here, look nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share. Bye.